Can I switch my niche to another niche? Hello guys, welcome back. Please, if you love this video, share and like and drop your comment on the comment box. Yes, you can switch your niche to another niche, but remember, you have to do it gradually, because people who are following you or people who subscribe to your channel, there is a reason why they subscribe, because of the value they are getting from that niche you are. So you switching to another niche, they will no longer engage in your present video, because this have changed from what they know you for. So for you to still maintain this kind of viewers with their engagement, if you are into, let's say, entertainment and you want to switch to fitness, health, or financial, you have to start introducing the niche gradually. Maybe you posted your comedy video today, 2 or 3, then you introduce one finance in a comic way. So by so doing, you keep introducing it, your audience will still love what you are doing. They will see it as a comedy, but meanwhile, you are switching to another niche. Are you getting? So, another question is that, can I change my name of my page to something that will match my niche? Yes, you can. Like I said, you have to do it gradually. Let's say today you change your logo, you gradually change your descriptions. From there, you can change your brand. But make sure you are dishing out these two things at the same time, these two things, before you know, you switch to what you want to become. Meanwhile, you still keep your followers or subscribers, keeping them engaged. It's possible to switch niche. Okay? But once you switch today, the next day you switch, this keep disturbing the algorithm to recognize what your page is into. So it will take the algorithm time to figure out the kind of content you are doing, so the algorithm can properly dish it out to the proper audience. So that's the reason why you need to, swap the two content. You do this one, before you know it. So algorithm will be seeing this and be seeing that. Before you know what is happening, it will be recognizing this thing. Then you switch to the one you want to do. So you need to do it with carefulness and intelligence. Okay? So guys, ask me any question on the comment box. I will be here to come back and answer you. Please love and share my videos. You guys are not sharing my video. It's not proper. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.